Hi guys, I'm Ashwani Tandon. I live in Mumbai in India. I participated in the Ultra Luxury Awaits activity which is sponsored by the Thailand Super Quality Tourism of Thailand. The reason I participated in this activity is that I love Thailand. It's a beautiful country, and I just wanted to tell you about something about the country as well as my interest in Thailand. I find this has got a very rich cultural heritage, and also when I've been to Thailand a few times before, where I see some temples, interiors of the temples, which shows the cultural heritage, and most importantly about Thailand is the people around there. I find very nice people, very positive minded, very polite and very, very trustworthy people, and always smiling. That kind of a things which comes, when you interact with the people of Thailand. This is the kind of thing which you have in mind. So I can see that actually the simplicity is implanted in the souls of the Thai people. And I also see Thailand as a country with a strong culture. They have a good traditions, beliefs, values, and customs, and which are actually unique and extraordinary. So in a way, actually, it's a mixed culture altogether. And when I see Thailand, I see that a lot of people across the globe, from USA, from Europe, from many countries come, and anybody can have any kind of a life. Whether somebody wants to have a slow, simple life or a vibrant lifestyle, probably they can also go for the adventure sports and traditional performances. And the country is full of spectacular natural wonders. Whereas this natural beauty comes, and that is what I believe in. The magnificent beaches in Thailand are just superb. I was talking about the beaches in Thailand, which are magnificent beaches. In fact, there are many, many beaches are there, and it's very difficult to choose any particular beach for a visitors to go, because each beach has its own peculiarity, the personality, and the type of the facilities available there. Most of the beaches has got excellent sporting facilities available there. The foreigners can do paragliding, banana boat riding, jet skiing, and all those kind of activities which foreigners are, they love to have kind of. That's available in Thailand, Thai beaches, which is unique and extraordinary. Just out of the world facilities available there, and it's just exciting. And I would love to go to all the beaches there and do all those kind of things. And I suggest every visitor should go and spend some time there in Pattaya Beach, Phuket Beach, Patong, Kana, Kar, Nai Hon, any beach. And Krabi also is a very good beach there in Thailand, and very, very popular beach there. So one can go there, do all kind of water sporting facilities available, and enjoy Thailand. I would like to come to my conclusion of my this conference by saying that please vote for me, please support me, and I would like to be on the top 10 finalists. And I would like to have the support. What you can do is just log into www.tourismthailand.org/ultra luxury, and please vote for me. I would be waiting for your support. Thank you very much. This is Ashwani Tandon signing off from Mumbai, India.